This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by installing Quicken Classic Deluxe and creating a new data file named with the year and account type. Confirm system requirements and update to the latest patch before adding bank accounts. Set a strong password and enable automatic backups every 7 days after installation. When prompted, choose the desktop data file location and allow Quicken to create a single primary file. This simplifies restore and syncing. If converting from a previous Quicken, run the conversion assistant and review imported balances immediately for discrepancies. Open the account register to enter transactions, then apply categories and tags to track spending and income. Download bank transactions using one-click direct connect when available, or import CSV files and match payees manually. Build rules to auto-categorize recurring expenses like rent, subscriptions, or 25% tax withholdings to speed categorization. Reconcile each account monthly by comparing the register to your bank statement and mark cleared transactions. Resolve discrepancies by checking generate cash flow, net worth, and category spending reports and customize date ranges such as year-to-date or the last 12 months for review. Export selected reports or registers to CSV for spreadsheets and create PDF snapshots to attach to tax folders or share with advisors. Perform a 3-step backup routine monthly. Save a local backup, copy to an external drive, and upload an encrypted copy to cloud storage. Test restoring one backup quarterly to ensure your data file and password restore properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.